Hi guys, if you want to see how I achieved this look in 20 minutes and how you can too, please keep on watching this video.
Look at me, you're lucky. I taste good, but I just had to redirect my cooking. I could have been an opener. I redirect the cooking. I read it all the comments.
Hi! So I'm going to be attempting to make my hair for the first time, and this hairstyle is like quick, easy ponytail kind of style that if you are in a hurry and your hair is not done, you have somewhere to be, you just need to get your hair done immediately. This is the hair for you. So let's get into the video. So first of all, we're going to need this. I would usually not recommend this, but I don't know, I'm attempting. Should I do a ponytail down or I should do a ponytail up? So I've never done any ponytail down before. Yeah, so let's try it off. Let's just try it off. Huh? Doing this together. So my hair is not relaxed. It's not really due, but it's due. So it's going to be a difficult one. So I would like to make this hair as freaking tight as possible. So back before this time around.
Hi, so majority of the video is going to be like fast forwarded from now henceforth. That's why it's not up to 20 minutes. So yeah, here I'm struggling with all my heart to make the bun as tight as I can, and I'm using this fish comb. Is it fish comb you call it, to part my hair? Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Once that was done, I quickly braided the hair. I mean, everybody knows how to braid hair, but if you don't know, that's a different tutorial on its own. Excuse me. And then I'm using this gel. It's like 500 naira in the market. It's pretty cheap, and that's why I'm using it. It's literally the best for this simple hairstyle. So you want to go as slow as you can. Like, just take your time and make sure the gel is everywhere. I turned the back so you guys to see what I'm doing. I'm trying to just massage my hand close to my hair to give it that creeps look. Then I'm going again with another rubber band to like make sure it's tight. Like, I want it tight. Like, I swear after I finished making this hair I was in pain, but just take your time, just do whatever you want to do. You don't have to make it as tight as I'm doing it, but I wanted it really tight, so that's what I did. And I made a mistake using this brush. I wish I never did. It was what ruined the back of my hair. You see those hair the strokes, that be lines sticking out? Yeah, this brush did that. I should have just used a smaller brush, so I had to use this gel stuff that leaves like white cast or whatever on your hair. So I went with this tiny brush and tried to clean and even them all out, and I was literally trying to make like, is it edges on my hair, but it worked. But at the same time, it didn't work. This was not what I wanted to go for, but I was like, okay, it's not bad, it's not bad. So you just play along with whatever you want, do your thing. I mean, it's your hair, so just twist it, bend it, make it straight, or you could leave it like how it was before. It doesn't matter so far as it's looking clean and inside. Then I used this hair extension and just braided the tips of my hair. So I mean, and like I said, everybody knows how to braid, so you just put the hair at the tip and try to grab all the hairs together, and that's how it works, seriously. And then I just kept on braiding and braiding and braiding and braiding. Then I grabbed my weave-on that I found when I was cleaning my room. I mean, I used this weave-on for my 18th birthday. So yeah, it's really old. And this is where it gets really tricky, where you just have to use your mind or your brain or whatever. So you literally put the needle, which it was actually a small needle. I would advise you to go for those bigger needles. So it was a small needle and I pierced myself so many times, countless of times. So you just want to put the needle on top of the tip of the weave-on and inside your hair, and it's like in out, you know. That's just what you do. So what I'm doing is like I'm sewing the hair round. That's what you do. You sew the hair around. So you sew your weave-on around the hair. So you take your time with this, because I mean I don't know where I was rushing to, and I just kept on piercing myself a lot. Yeah, that was done. So I had to grab the second one, and thank God I had the idea of just sewing all the bundles together so I don't have to stress, which was a lot of work, baby, because I actually bled. I'm not kidding, I bled really well. I had to pause this video and take care of my wounds. So just use bigger needles. Just remember to use bigger needles. So I kept on taking my time and using my mind to like work, and it became really difficult. So I had to use this handkerchief, because I could not work with my hands anymore. So I had to use this handkerchief to like pull it up. So when you're doing it, you leave like a small one to like cover your like sewings, you know. So that's what I did. I left one small one to just cover the top of my hair, and I just used my mind, and sewed it in gently, in out. Don't forget, take your time, make sure it's on top of the braid. And yeah, this is me. God, I look so tired, but yeah, that's the job. So this is the final and most satisfying step for the ponytail. So you just you leave an extension of the hair or the weave on, and then you grab it and like tie it around, covering the whole thread sewing from the back, the front, whatever. You just keep on tying it and tying it and tying. You tie it from the inside to the tip of the weave on, so it looks, that's what gives it that standing ponytail look. Yeah. So yeah, I parted my hair at the beginning of the video because I just can't make ponytails without something in the front. I don't know how y'all do it. Y'all are really lucky to have a kind of face, but me here, I have to like put two in front, two or one, whatever. I just have to put something in front. So this is it. It's like a style. Yeah, so you just part the hair. I'm looking for the perfect center line. It has to be straight for me, or else I will lose my mind. So here I took some of the gel and rubbed them at the tips of my fingers, and just to hold the hair together. You can use cream, whatever you want. I just love to use the gel because it keeps it like black. If you're a beginner like me, it means you can't braid your hair with an extension from the beginning. So I braided my hair first, then I added the extension later to make things easier for me, like not less, kind of. So yeah, that's what I did, and I left some of the extensions there without braiding them, so I could like coil them later. So yeah, this is me doing the other side. I really wanted to use thread to make the coils, but I could not figure out how to do it, so I just decided to braid the hair, and then I'm going to put it inside hot water. It's going to give it this coily, loose coils. So yeah, that's the vibe I was going for. So this is me just constantly trying to make the hair look as clean as I can, even though there is no heat, nothing. Yeah, remember, it's like a quick and easy ponytail, so if you're not using all those spray gels and whatever, it's not really going to hold, so you have to do your best. So yeah, and then I wiped it off, and then I am going to loosen it. So yeah, I tried using my hands, but man, so many things were just going wrong. I injured myself too much to even think of using my hands, so I used that comb, and yes, this is what I wanted. I have never made this hairstyle before, not even at the salon, and I was like, how did I even think of this? I don't know about you, but to me it's really cute. Whatever, so far as two things I'm standing in front of my head, on my head, I'm cool. And I constantly had to retouch the hair, not because it was scattering, just because I'm kind of a perfectionist and I just wanted it to look okay, you know. I put some oils and tried to make the weave on come alive, and exactly. So yeah, this is the final look. It's a quick, easy 20-minute hairstyle. It doesn't waste time and you don't have to do so much. Look at me all happy and teaching you guys how to style it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I love you.